In front of me is Honor Magic V2, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app to use in this view and accessing it in the background. To do that with Tricky's navigation, use this square button. Now click on this icon at the top right corner of your app. And as you can see, now I can use it in this little window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners, pick a perfect size and let go. To turn your app into a bubble, click on Home button, and then to access it, click on the bubble. You can do exactly the same using this icon of a line at the top left corner. Now to use your window in full screen view, you can hold the lower line, drag it all the way down and let go. You can also do that using this square at the top left corner. To make your window really tiny and keep it on your screen, hold the same lower line as before and this time drag it up. Then to access your window, click on the tiny version. Last but not least, to close your window completely, you can drag the bubble to remove section at the bottom, or use this X at the top right corner of your window. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!